Hello everybody, this is Greg, back out here on my balcony at 100 Forest Avenue, 806. What you're seeing is what you might call the Great Winter Storm of February 2013. It's February 8th, 2013. And you know what? I think the forecasters actually got it right this time. They've been forecasting something like 30 centimeters of snow today here in Hamilton and the Toronto area. And as you know, I love the winter. I really enjoy the snow. I guess I'm one of those strange people that actually prefers the winter to the summer. And they've been predicting now for the last couple of days that Toronto might actually get a real winter storm. Wow, how about that? Because as many of you know, I grew up in Montreal, and our winters back home tend to be a lot harsher than they are here. But you know what? I think they actually got it right this time. So I'm going to be quiet for a little while, and I'm going to show you some of the sights and the sounds of this particular winter storm. And I'm sure you can hear in the background, I believe there are a couple of plows and other people out here doing their thing. So let's be quiet for just a couple of minutes, and I'm going to give you a look at Hamilton, Ontario, Canada, in the middle of the great winter storm of February 2013. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Okay, I won't put Bing Crosby out of business or any of those people, but you know what? It actually is snowing out here. Yeah! So enjoy it, folks. I'm going to be quiet for a minute and show you a little more of this great winter storm. Thank you for watching, everybody. I'm going to be quiet now and let you just drink it all in. Okay, I think that's all for now. Once again, this is Greg Brown. I'm here in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. This is the Great Winter Storm of February 2013. For those of you who are watching it today, by the way, please be careful out there. I am going to put this on my YouTube channel later this morning. Please be careful if you are driving or walking or that kind of thing. Yes, I love the winter time, but you know what, folks? We got to be careful out there too. And so if you are traveling today or at any time during the winter when there are conditions like this, please be careful. Don't do things that you don't really need to do. You know what? Sometimes they say there are days when it's best to just stay home and not go anywhere. I think I'm going to take their advice. I have lots of work I can do anyway. So I'm going to publish this on YouTube. This, along with all my other videos, are available on channel GCB. And let me give you the address for that. It's youtube.com/GCBrown1956. Again, youtube.com/GCBrown1956. So let me give you one more taste of winter here. I'm glad to see the public transit vehicles are out. I think that's an HSR bus you may be able to make out down there on John Street. The visibility is not the greatest, as you might expect in this kind of weather. They're talking about something like 30 centimeters before we're all done today, which I believe is about, let me do some figuring here. That'll probably be about 10 inches, I think, for our American friends. So it's, I think, what is it? 2.54 centimeters is 1 inch. So you can do the math out there, folks. All right. So once again, this is Greg Brown, signing off now from the balcony of my apartment at 100 Forest Avenue, apartment 706, or sorry, 806, 706 is just below me, 806 in downtown Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. Hope everybody has a fantastic day. And you know what? I think I'm going to go back inside, pour myself a nice cup of hot chocolate, and just watch all this for a little while. This is great. So again, signing off. You can watch this, as I say, on channel GCB, youtube.com/GCBrown1956. And by the way, you know, if you're interested in using my talents in other areas, I can offer a wide variety of skills and talents I'm sure people would love to take advantage of. You can find me at gregcbrown.com. That's my website, www.gregcbrown.com. Looks like our friend is just below here, so I'm going to see if I can get him. Yes, I think I have him on the camera there. Yep, there he is, just down below, and there's a hale and hearty person out there going for a walk. So I keep saying I'm signing myself off and that I'm still going, but I think I'm actually going to do it this time. So once again, just let me give you a quick overview of where you can reach me. Again, these videos are available on YouTube, channel GCB. It's youtube.com/GCBrown1956. If you want to know more about my skills and talents as a videographer, a librarian, a website designer, public speaker, conference facilitator, I'm a jack of all trades, gregcbrown.com. And in particular, go to my one-stop marketing page. That's gregcbrown.com/marketing.html. Again, gregcbrown.com/marketing.html. On that page, you will find not only a link to my video page, but also to my blog and to my audio podcasts that I do. People tell me I've got a great voice for radio and commercials and so on. So again, Greg Brown, signing off from Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. Have a fabulous day, everybody, and let it snow. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you for watching.